Happy sliming! Today we are going to make a no glue and no borax or activator slime. Before we make our slime, wash your hands first and make sure that you have clean your surface and all of your materials are clean. Let's go! Let's go shopping for our things. For our glue base, it will be a peel-off face mask. Why peel-off face mask may you ask? Well, peel-off face mask has the same ingredient as glue. It has polyvinyl alcohol. Then, for our borax, we'll be using 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and we're going to be using 20 milliliters of contact solution. And for our final product, we are going to be adding some sprinkles. Let's add our whole pack of peel-off face mask. You can add coloring if you want, but I'll be using white slime. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Let's mix. You don't want to add too much baking soda because you might get a sandy texture. You don't want a sandy texture. Then let's add our 20 milliliters of contact lens solution. Slowly add 20 ml of contact lens solution. Let's mix. Look at that. The peel-off face mask really looks like glue. Let's add our contact lens solution. Just add it there. It's clumping a bit. Wow, that looks nice. Looks like hand soap. I think we need more baking soda. It looks a bit liquidy. We shouldn't have added 1 teaspoon. We should have added 1/4 teaspoon. So we're gonna add 1 more 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, which will make 1/2. Okay, let's add that in. To make it a bit harder because of the baking soda, but you can see that it's starting to get stringy. So that's a good thing. You can see that it's clumping there. You can see it's starting to pull away from our bowl. Then, oh, look at that, it's jiggly. I feel like it's a bit sticky, so we're going to add a bit more contact lens solution. I think the contact lens solution melts the baking soda. So it's jiggly. sticky. So we're just going to add more. Feels smooth. Feels velvety. So I'm going to add a bit more. So we're just going to add all of this in. So 20 milliliters was enough. Okay, you can see that. We're gonna put it on our surface. It really looks like glue. We're gonna put our bowl and spoon away. It feels like soft. It's like softer, fluffy slime, but it doesn't have any texture. The pokes are not that loud. You can see the pokes are not that good, but it's really jiggly. It's a bit like putty and stretchy slime. So for our last thing, we're going to be adding some sprinkles. You can add anything you would like. Glitter, charms. Wow, it looks like a cloud. Okay, we're gonna spread that. It's a bit jiggly. This is like a miniature jiggly slime. So you can see the sprinkles. Again, it's not that stretchy when you try to make, yeah, but it is stretchy when you put this. But when you put it harder, it just does that. It doesn't feel sandy, but it does give some moisture. Let's add a bit more sprinkles. Okay. This feels nice. Here's our finished product, but there are some 4 things or 4 characteristics that you might want to find in 4 slimes. In a simple slime, it can be any kind of slime, depends on the slime itself. First is that it should have windows. Second is that it stretches. Third is that it flows. And fourth is that it bounces. If you like bouncy slime. So here's our finished product. We have some pros and cons for this product. When you open it, you might be a bit disappointed by the moisture. We didn't add any water, but after keeping it here for a while, we are just going to let off the moisture through the table. So here in this channel, we're going to start with the cons. First, it gives out a lot of moisture, which will be a bit messy, and you don't want moisture. Second, it does stretch, but when you make windows, it breaks. I know some slimes are nicely stretched, but when you stretch this really nice, it just rips. It's overactivated even though I didn't add that much. It's really nice though. Second, it's a bit stringy. Not stringy, I mean like, it doesn't go together. For our pros, it's really nice. It's really stretchy. I'm surprised that you can make slime out of peel-off face mask if you don't have glue, but you do have baking soda and contact lens solution lying around if you want to make slime. It does stretch if you stretch it slowly, but it doesn't last long. Those are the only pros we have. So yeah, and just about the con, this is how much moisture we have. I mean, like, at least we have slime, but it's really a bit disappointing. So it's a bit messy. So I don't think I would really recommend doing this, but if you would want to, I think the thing that gives it its moisture is because of the baking soda. So try to put less baking soda. Bye.